This wasn't a big development. What you're looking at is the first try. And what it is a little electrical part, and it needs to withstand high temperature, and it needs to have electrical interconnect, and it needs to have a resistive portion. That's what that darker color is. It needs to have metallization that not only exists in 2-dimension or slight 3rd dimension, it needs to come up a sidewall and then transition onto another surface. So it's a quite complex device from a metallization perspective. So we used aerosol jet printing. It's ready. The ink was ready. Our partner had the ink, and it was immediately able to be done. Same thing with the refractory alloy ink. It's kind of a resistive material that was used there, and we were able to achieve our objective. And I present that mainly just to illustrate the 3D printed ceramic. I should have mentioned that was made by another partner that we work with. Not an issue. It was easy to do. It happened quickly in a couple weeks. So there's some resources that exist that help us get to the end, which is a tech transition. And that device that I showed is an actual item that will be used in an actual product. It's not just a theory or a concept that solves a real life problem.